Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel shipping label in eBay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and tap open your eBay account. So now in the Sellers Hub, you will have to simply tap on the listings option that is right on the top of orders section. So once you have tapped on listings, you need to now simply tap on the active listings. So active listings will allow you to show all the active orders that is currently on your order history, and once you're there, you need to go in the order section and hit on the shipping labels. After you have done this, you will get all the active orders, and now you can simply select an order that you want to cancel shipping label. Once you have tapped on it, you can find an option called cancel label. Simply tap on that particular option, and after you have done this, you will have to select the reason why you want to cancel your shipping label for that particular item. After you have done this as well, you need to simply tap on the send request option after selecting a valid reason, and you're all done with your canceled shipping label on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.